Right, guys, today is 29th of March 2025, and today I want trade features mod live today. I am seeing like the coin I used for demonstration last time on how you can set feature mode in Apollo bot is doing well, and the performance is doing so well. And today I want to set it with only $20, and I wait and see what is going to happen. So in the next time, if I see the performance, I will come back and discuss with you, since it is the best strategy that we can use in Apollo bot that doesn't need you to consume much time. All you need is just going there and start trading it there. And then so I will tap on features mode. Then from features mode, I am going to select that coin, which is peanut. As you can see that the people who are trading it now are 39 out of 1,800, and the total profit today is 3,379. Then here it is showing us that the win rate is 91%. So that win rate is more bigger than all these other coins that they have given us, except these other two coins, which is LDO and APT, are the ones which are in 70s. But these other ones, most of them are 27, 25 win rate percentage. So I'm going to set it now. If you don't have account in Apollo bot, I have left the link under this video description. Find that link, create an account. Then all you need is only to bind your Apollo bot with the exchange of your choice. Like for example, you can use OKX, Binance, Bybit, Bitget, HTX, KuCoin, Get.io. Then we get to the last one, which is Bitmart. You can use any and you start trading. There is no subscription fee now. With Apollo bot, why I'm not trading using Apollo bot is that when the coins are floating, they will be having no pressure that soon I will need to subscribe when I have not made profit. So it is a free AI that you can use to make money online. Let's get started. Now you log into your account, then you come down to strategies. Then from strategies, come and click on features mode. Tap on features mode. Then from here we shall select the best performing coin, which is peanut. Now, as I told you in the previous video, that when you buy a coin here, when you set a coin, it can take some time without buying, because the AI will be analyzing the market of that coin and seeing the possible position where to buy or to enter the market from. So that is how it is. So I'm going to tap here. Now from here, I'm going to leave it in cycle because this coin have gone down so much. And now here it has automatic take profit, of which you cannot edit. Then the stop loss is also here. Then rebound is also here. I'm going to leave it in cycle. These coins have gone down, so if you manage to buy a coin from down, you can put it in cycle, because in cycle it is going to buy, sell, and buy and sell. Then when you see that the coin has gone up again, you can now put it in single so that it buys and sell once. Now from here, I'm going to tap single to set it. Then here you can see that it is now waiting, but it has not yet entered. It is waiting to enter the market. So if you come even here, we cannot see it here, but of course from features mode here we can see that it is still waiting the time to enter the market. So guys, that is a live demonstration on how you can set your coin in Apollo features mode. Find the link under this video description, create an account, deposit gas fee a minimum of 30, and bind your bot with any exchange of your choice and start trading. Let's meet in the next coming video. Remember to subscribe, liking, sharing, and also commenting. Let me understand what you need me to do for you in Apollo bot. We meet.